everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Trustwallet application on your PC. In order to download Trustwallet application on your PC, you'll first need an Android emulator. There are lots of Android emulator available throughout the internet. The best one is BlueStacks. Open up a web browser, go to www.bluestacks.com and press enter. From the official website of BlueStacks, click on the download button and download it on your PC. You'll be able to find the application getting downloaded at the top right hand corner of the screen. After it is done with the downloading, click on the open file button and install BlueStacks 5 on your PC. Once you've done that, open up BlueStacks 5 application and launch it on. If necessary, you'll need to enter your Google account's credential in order to end up in this page. Once you do that, go and click on the Play Store button from this page. Right in the search box at the top, search for Trustwallet by typing it in with the help of a keyboard and search. You'll be able to find the application displayed in the search result. Click Install right next to the app in order to begin the downloading process. Wait until the application gets downloaded on your PC, and soon after it is done with the installation, your application will be installed. Tap the Open button right next to the app in order to launch it on. Your Trustwallet application will be available in the main homepage of BlueStacks 5. That is how you can easily download Trustwallet application for your PC with the help of an Android emulator. How to download Trustwallet application on your iPhone. In order to download Trustwallet application on your iPhone, first check if you are connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you are, simply go to your App Store and tap it open. In the search box that appears at the top of the screen, search for Trustwallet by typing it in with the help of your keyboard. Make a search, and in the search result, you should see an application that says Trust, Crypto and Bitcoin Wallet. If you tap on the application, you'll be able to see further information about the app. All of the information that you will be needing will be displayed on this page. To quickly download the application, tap on the download button right next to the application or beneath the application and give it a tap. Wait until your application gets downloaded on your iPhone. It might take a while depending upon your internet speed. Until it finishes with the downloading process, let me tell you what Trustwallet is. Trustwallet is the official crypto wallet of Binance. You can send and receive, store Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies including NFTs, safe and secure. The application acts as a bridge that connects to individual blockchains via their nodes. It is free to download and does not earn anything when you use it. Fees are all paid to the miners or validators. Once the application gets downloaded on your iPhone, you'll be able to see the open button popping up. If you tap on open, you'll be able to launch the application right away. To find the application for future use, you'll be able to locate it on your app drawer. And how to download Trustwallet application on your Android phone. Now, go to the search box and search for Trustwallet by typing it in with the help of a keypad and make your search. You'll be able to find the application displayed in the search result. If you give it a tap, then you'll be able to view further information about the app. All of the information that you need about the application will be displayed on this page. To quickly download your application without any further delay, tap the install button in green. Wait until your app gets downloaded and installed on your Android device. It'll only take a while, entirely depending upon your internet speed, so be sure to be connected to a strong internet, whether it is your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. Trustwallet is the best Ethereum wallet and cryptocurrency wallet that you can find easily on your App Store or your Play Store. You can easily store your favorite tokens, send and receive crypto, and it also provides users the ability to do other crypto transactions like trading and staking. After the application gets downloaded on your Android device, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right next to the app. Tap it on to launch the app open. How to sign up for Trustwallet. When it comes to creating a new account with Trustwallet, first thing to do is to make sure that you've downloaded the application on your mobile device, or if you're using desktop, make sure that you download the app there as well. Once you have it, tap open the Trustwallet app from your app drawer. Trustwallet is Binance's official cryptocurrency wallet. With Trustwallet smartphone app, you can safely and securely transfer, receive, and store Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies and digital assets. Trustwallet may also be used to earn interest in your cryptocurrency, play blockchain games,
and have access to the latest D-apps and DeFi platform. Tap on the Create New Wallet in order to sign up for a new wallet for Trustwallet from the main homepage. Now, tap on this little box at the bottom left that says, I have read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. You can go through the privacy policy and terms of service by tapping on this option over here, and you'll be able to see all of the information on this page. Finally, tap the Continue button at the bottom. Now, once you reach to this interface right here, go through the information first. On the next page, you'll receive 12 words recovery phrases that will allow you to recover a wallet. Remember that if you lose your secret recovery phrases, your funds will be lost forever. Make sure to not share your recovery phrases to anyone since your funds might get stolen. And you must keep your secret recovery phrases secure. Make sure to tap on all of these 3 boxes and tap the Continue button at the bottom. Your secret recovery phrases has been displayed on the next page. Simply copy this recovery phrase by tapping on Copy and store it somewhere else safe. You can tap on the Copy button and paste these recovery phrases in a secured folder. Once you do that, tap Continue. Now, verify your secret recovery phrases that you just copied by tapping the words and putting them next to each other in the correct order. After you are done putting them in the correct order, tap Continue at the bottom, and there you have successfully created a wallet and successfully signed up for Trustwallet account. Tap on OK, and this will be your main wallet page. All of your available balance will be displayed at the very top right where it says Main Wallet. As you can see that I have successfully signed up for my Trustwallet account.
How to log into Trustwallet account with your iPhone. Once you have it, tap it on. Now, from the main homepage of Trustwallet, if you'd like to log into your wallet, tap on I already have a wallet button. If you'd like to create a new one, tap on Create a new wallet. Since I already have an existing wallet, let me tap on I already have a wallet. Now, go through the privacy policy and terms of service of Trustwallet and tap on this box right beneath that says I've read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Now, tap the Continue button beneath and choose your wallet that you'd like to import from the list. I'm going to choose the first option. Tap on Multi-Coin Wallet and type in the secret phrases that you backed up while signing up for your wallet on Trustwallet. Make sure to type in your secret phrase correct. You'll need to type in your 12-word secret phrases in the text box in the correct order. Once you do that, tap on Import at the bottom. Now, as you can see that you have successfully imported your wallet for Trustwallet, tap on OK and go ahead and enable your push notifications in order to receive notifications for incoming and outgoing transactions. Tap on Enable, and that is how you'll be able to log into your Trustwallet application on your iPhone. The main homepage of Trustwallet will look like this. All of the assets that you have will be displayed at the top right where it says Main Wallet. You can send and receive, buy, or even swap cryptocurrencies of your choice with your Trustwallet account. How to add custom token to Trustwallet. If you want to add a custom token on your Trustwallet app, then first open your Trustwallet application from the app drawer by giving it a tap. Make sure that you're logged into your Trustwallet account. And once you are, in order to add a token, simply tap on the filter icon at the top right hand corner from the main homepage and enable any token that you'd like to add by tapping on the little toggle button right next to an asset. Once you are done, tap Done, and your tokens will be available on your main homepage. If you want to manually add a token, in order to add a custom token manually to Trustwallet, simply go and open up your web browser. And the best method to do this is by using your coinmarketcap.com website. You can also do this on CoinGecko, bscscan.com, and etherscan.io, but in today's video I'm gonna use coinmarketcap.com. So go to the web address bar at the bottom and type in www.coinmarketcap.com and search. Once you end up in the official site of CoinMarketCap, go to the search icon at the top right and give it a tap. In the search box at the top, type in the name of the token you'd like to add. Today I'm gonna search for MetaPets. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to find the token right beneath in the search result. Give it a tap, and now scroll a bit down, and right where you can see contracts, tap on the copy button right next to your contract address
And now, go open up Trustwallet application. Go to the filter icon in the top right hand corner and in the search bar, simply paste in the contract address and you'll be able to find the token you are looking for. Enable the button right next to the token and tap Done at the top right and you'll be able to see your custom token added on Trustwallet. That is how you have successfully added a custom token to Trustwallet. You can repeat this process many times you want to add any kind of a token to your Trustwallet. How to enable browser on Trustwallet. In order to access Trustwallet browser using an Android device is quite easy. Simply tap open your Trustwallet application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged into your wallet. Once you're inside the main home page, tap on the settings button at the bottom right. Now, from the settings menu, tap on Preferences. Select the option that says DApp Browser and now toggle on the button right next to Enable. Soon after you do that, you can now go back to your home page and you'll be able to see the dApps option enabled at the bottom. Now you can use the dApps browser option on Trustwallet in order to make purchases like buying SafeMoon and also use PancakeSwap exchange. How to change Trustwallet password, or in other words, you can say passcode. If you want to change your Trustwallet password, tap open your Trustwallet app first. Once you open it up, make sure that you are logged in. Changing your password for your account is a pretty good option when you are not sure about the security of your account. So in order to do that, tap on the settings button in the bottom right hand corner from the main wallet page. Now, from the settings menu, click on Security option. You'll be able to see an option that says App Lock. Simply enable the button in order to set a passcode or password for your Trustwallet account. Type in your passcode that you'd like to set and re-enter your passcode one more time. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see several other added menus displayed on the screen. Right where it says Auto Lock, and you can enable Auto Lock feature immediately, or if you're away from Trustwallet for 1 minute, for 5 minutes, an hour, or even for 5 hours. You can choose the time when you'd like to set auto lock for your Trustwallet account. You can choose the lock method by selecting either passcode/face ID or only passcode. If you want to be asked authentication for transactions, then make sure to enable the button right next to transaction signing. You'll receive an authentication request once you turn on this option. If you don't want to do that, leave it disabled. You have successfully enabled App Lock for your Trustwallet. If you want to change your Trustwallet passcode, you can simply tap on the toggle button right next to App Lock. If you turn it back again, you can easily change to a new passcode by typing it again. Re-enter the passcode again, and there you have successfully changed your Trustwallet passcode. How to add coin to Trustwallet. In order to add a coin on Trustwallet, tap open your Trustwallet app and make sure that you're logged into your account. All of the coins that are available on your Trustwallet will be displayed in the Tokens tab in the main wallet page. As you can see that, I have several coins added on my token list. If you want to add more coins, tap on the toggle button located at the upper right hand corner. From the list of the tokens or assets below, go ahead and select a coin that you would like to add and tap on the toggle button right next to it in order to add it on your token list. Soon after you are done enabling the button, tap the Done button at the upper right hand corner. And as you can see that I've added more tokens or coins in my Trustwallet homepage. If you want to remove a coin or a token, simply go to the toggle button at the upper right one more time and disable the button right next to the coin that you would like to remove from the token list. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.